Cumbres Monterrey Nacional Park. La Estanciuela Park is part of the Cumbres de Monterrey National Park. Discover the natural beauty of La Estanciuela Park, surrounded by canyons, mountains and hills. An ideal place to observe nature in all its splendor, with a crystal clear stream and variety of wildlife. Come to La Estanciuela Park. It is a place that will leave you breathless. It's part of the Cumbres de Monterrey National Park, a protected area of great natural beauty. Thank you for watching.